Yo, what's up? About to get this back. Bicep workout. And we're gonna drink this. What is it called? Body armor. You gotta sponsor us, man. We helping, drink it every day. Market it, man. Market body armor. You gotta call me up. I'll give you my sister's number. You right here, actually. These two right here. But we gotta pump this back and get this money and muscle. Pump it, man. We pump it, Cali muscle. Curls. I'm gonna do some of those in there too. Pumping the blood. Since I was in that shirt, we're gonna do, lat pull down right here. We're gonna do wide grip. So we're gonna right here, right here. Right there, yes. And we're gonna go right front, straight down. Right here. You see? Right there. We're working. That stretch right there. Slow down.
You see those back muscles coming in here?
Right there. Stretch.
We pumping. Yep. Pumping. Slow down.
We pumping. This workout, what I do, man, I just, I like to have fun, man. I like to dance, get it on. Break down, man, you gotta have fun, man. I don't know, y'all stick up the ass, man, you gotta have fun. Stretch. You didn't mean it? Come on. See that stretch right here? It's good. Right there. Slow down. There you go. Yeah. Ain't that boy strong as that? Get your money up. Here with me. Smash!
That face, boy. Ooh. Look at that camera. Look right in that camera, dude.
What? Listen, I told y'all, man, we're gonna kill this summer. The objective is use the gym as your therapy. You know what I'm saying? Use it as your therapy. You're going through stuff with your females, your girls, life. Use the gym. Don't go out and party and drink. Pump. Stretch. You got stretch. So, look at the shoe. know what type of Jordans. You know what? These are Jordan illusions, man. Get your game up. Hold on. Let me get it. Hold on. Hold up. Hold up. Is these real? Or are they steel?
Those ain't aluminum either. Hell no. Look at that. Look at that weight. Those stacks, the weight. Grace of ease. Look at that.
I mean, slam the weights. Aluminum? What? They scream what they say. Steel. Oh, steel. I see y'all in there on the social media copying off what I do. You can't beat me. There's only one DieselDonlow. Oh, there's three of us, but there's only one DieselDonlow that work out. It's me.
Look at that. Only 3 left to the end.
Stretch it. There you go.
Could have told you that too.
See when you come back, here you go. We're gonna rhombus, muscle group right there. Called rhombus. Here you go. Squeeze right there. Now we go. Here we go. So you're working a rhombus.
That sounds real. That sounds real. Huh? That one's real too. Yeah, real too. Uh-oh. Got some real. Hey, is this fake skin? No, that ain't fake skin either. No, that's real. That's real skin. Look at them traps. Look at them.
Working on the trapezius muscle. Like I say, I usually like do more reps. But I want to put some muscle on it, more size on it, so I'm gonna do lower reps, more weight. But usually I like to do more reps, about 15 to 25. So on the traps, I would just do more reps, and if you want to put some weight to the side, do the weight up a little more. So I'm just going off of what I know for my body and what works for me and my friends, or me, amigos. For you Espanol people. I'm at a gym that no one knows where I'm at. That's a luxury to, be able to have a car and a job. I can go where I want. We're gonna work out where we want. Come on. Don't pull back, let's go straight up. Yep. Straight up, down. I said, man, you want to use the gym as therapy, a way to build muscle, have fun, and enjoy life. Like I said, some people have teething issues with other people working out and stuff. So use gym as a way of, bettering yourself and, making some money out of it and doing whatever you want to do. Just don't, you don't have to critique nobody about how they do stuff. People's way of having fun. So too many people have time, too much time on their hands. And then that's why I'm here today to kill them. Kill their thoughts. I'm sick of them coming at people that work out. So I help my boys work out and they start to hear some shit. It's bad. Don't talk smack, man. Just work out. Call it. Watch what you say on posts, social media and stuff like that, because people take stuff out of context and you can hurt people doing that way. And I'm sorry if I hurt people, what I post or what was posted of me. And I apologize in advance. I want you to know that. I appreciate people that do stuff for you and help you with your life, because don't take them for granted. One day they might be gone, which might happen to people. So take life serious and appreciate what people do for you. I appreciate what everyone done for me. Especially my first t-shirt go out to you. You know who you are.
Bro, I love it.
Look at them veins popping.
You don't need a 25, you need 25. Thank you. Curl! Woo! I feel like 1,000 pounds. It wasn't.
Workout, my boy finally, this is about a month in, getting that money and muscle, and we're about to, have a good day about to fish, and we're gonna post some videos of fishing, right? We're gonna show you how to fish, and then we're gonna show you how to lift, so through the videos you'll see, and then he's gonna be on the gaming thing for my PS4, because we're gonna do it today or tomorrow at his house, recording it, and you're gonna see us play some FIFA or Mortal Kombat or Batman, one of those games, and we're gonna show you how it's done.
Money and muscle, baby.
Diesel out.